Hello, hello, hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Verstov. How you doing? Friday, January 25th, a lot of green on the screen. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 200 points. 860 on volume, not bad. 7-1 up volume to down. Russell up 20, that's significant. S&P up 23, that's significant. Oil on a rebound, up $0.50 into the 53.5 level. Gold up 22. Rarely do you see gold up so much. And the market up itself, transports up 80. So what in fact did happen today? We've been green all day long, and what's the reason? What is the reason? We have plenty of reasons to actually be anxious with the shutdown and with some of the earnings and with interest rates and with unwinding of the balance sheet and with tariffs and China and whatnot. We're coming into a week, we're coming into a period in the market where we're trying to really figure out, is it emotional selling, smart money buying? We've seen a nice rally coming off the lows after Christmas. We saw a little bit of consolidation and pause the other day with the down market. We saw the market re-engaging the positive fundamentals of solid earnings one day, and we were up big, faded midday there. But what happened today? We came in, we were up 300 points. Turns out, Wall Street Journal report came in saying that the Fed's unwinding of this balance sheet, in fact, will be an expiration or they're going to let the bonds expire. They're going to buy more bonds, and basically, it's a little bit over my head. It's very economic based. But at the end of the day, as opposed to billions of dollars coming into the marketplace, putting pressure on equities and whatnot, it's actually going to be basically a stimulus package where they're going to let them expire and they're going to actually buy other bonds. So for those who are in the know, and that is surely not me, way smarter than me, this was a stimulus package. This was a reason to buy this market. We've seen two things that have caused any anxiety and fracture in this market per se: tariffs in China and unwinding of balance sheets. Those were the downsides. We've seen also that when tariffs in China have been taken off the table, it's caused a beautiful reason to buy the market. Today we saw another offset on that unwinding of the balance sheet, where we are going to have a stimulus package coming back in on the unwind of the balance sheet. That was a reason to buy the market again, and they took the market with a roar. A reason to buy the market. Plenty of reasons to sell it, but they didn't do that, and the market always tells you what it really thinks of the news, of the headlines, of the information, of the barrage of stuff coming into the marketplace. All that being said, midday, Mr. Trump came back on. Obviously, there is the narrative about what's going on with the shutdown of the government affecting the airports, the TSA, the air traffic controllers, people, 800,000 government workers, veterans, Americans who are living paycheck to paycheck, who are actually going broke, are in deep trouble. That narrative started to get ugly. Closing of airports, people going to homeless shelters, people going to food banks. These are Americans. These are people who should not be going through these hardships. Secretary of the Commerce coming on, so disconnected to the reality of the world. Mr. Ross, a billionaire, telling them let them eat cake. This was a friggin' Marie Antoinette moment. Are they so out of touch, the president and the cabinet, with the real people of this country? Yes, and that is a problem. I think it started getting the chokehold on the government. Midday, 2 o'clock, Rose Garden press conference, president comes out with a bomb and says, we are going to buy out this shutdown for 3 weeks. Not a complete deal. The Democrats voted it in with the Republicans without giving a dime for the wall, which has been the reason for this shutdown in the first place. So we've got a daily reprieve for 3 weeks on the government shutdown. Market maintained its rally mode, closed out green on the screen. Dow up 200, Russell up 20, SPY's up 22. Transports up, gold up, oil up. Good way to end the week. Reason to buy the market. Stick with me. I'm done. I'm tired. 4 minutes in and I'm burnt. I love you all. Inside Verstov, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you on Monday.